exciting opportunities to showcase your talent by starting to sell your media and earn money doing what you love on Shutterstock. Welcome to the world of Shutterstock. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of becoming a Shutterstock contributor and start converting your creative work into an income source, everything from scratch. Let's dive in. Find Shutterstock, or you can find the link in the description or comment section. Okay, scroll to the bottom of the page. Here in Partner Collection, click on Sell Your Content. You can scroll to know some of the information included by Shutterstock on this page. Here, if you already have an account, you can click Sign In. If you don't have, click on Join Now. Fill in your information here, full name and display name. The display name will be the username and the Shutterstock name here, and you can change it if you want to change it later. That Y display name should to be available. Write one available. And write your email here. Then password. Agree on terms. Then get started. Go to your email to verify your email. If you don't find it, check your email spam. And click on this link. Then visit link if you appear it. I have pop-up window blocked. If you have something, click on this icon here. Anyway, you need to open your link only. Then log in with your account's info. Our email verified now. Just click Next. Fill in your information here. This information not appear to others on your account. You and Shutterstock workers can see it only. So fill your info. After that, click Next. Then click on Go to your dashboard. This is the main interface. In Portfolio, you can see anything about your content uploaded. In Insights for Analysts and more. Here in the left corner at the bottom of the page, Account Settings and Public Profile. Here in Public Profile, that info will appear for your Shutterstock users. This is your display name. You can see your profile from here. This is your display name on profile. And this is username, as I told you, or same with your display name now. You can change it from here, but you can only change it once. Next, you need to contact support to change it again. This will be in your portfolio on Shutterstock. This is website. And this is your tagline. Write what you want here. Your location if you want to appear in your profile. This what content type you will sell on your Shutterstock. Select what you want. And here styles if you specific in kind of the content. And the subjects are the same. Here add your social media if you want it. After add all info you want, click Save. And to upload your image or any media, click Upload here in the top right corner. Then drag any file to here. And wait until uploaded. After upload complete, like this. To submit the image for the review, click on Not Submitted here. You will find it here. Just click here on Image. This tab will appear. You can add keywords suggestions from by Shutterstock. You write your keywords here. Then click Enter from keyboard. And here your description image. This is main category for this image. Choice 1. This is the second category, is only optional. You can add it if you want. Image location here, but this is optional too. You can leave it empty. If the image need release, you can upload from here. This is if your image is mature. Fill all info and click submit here. And do not forget to add 5 words in describing the image at least. Then submit. You will find your image in the pending here until review it. Until here I explained everything. And if you have any question about Shutterstock you want to know, you can leave it in the comments section. If you find this video useful, hit the like button and share the video. Remember to follow me and subscribe to my channel. Peace.